Hello, my name is Simona and today I will show you how to make a bag that looks like this. I will show you how to start the bag with a lever bottom. This is MonoMey Studio cord that I was using, 6mm MonoMey Studio cord. To make the bag I used about 100 meters of this cord, and now I will show you how to add the cord to this black bottom, and I will use black MonoMey Studio cord. So let's get started. Firstly, I will prepare the end of the cord. Cut the end, and now, as it is polyester, I'll use a lighter to burn the end of the cord a bit, just like this. Be careful, it's hot. So I'm using 6mm MonoMey Studio macramé cord. It's from polyester. I will need about 100 meters to make the same bag like this one, and a leather bottom. As you can see, we'll start from right here. From this side, we will need two hooks. I'm using 8mm hook for crocheting and 4mm hook for pulling the cord through the holes. The holes are a bit smaller, not perfect for the 6mm cord, so I will just pull it like this using 4mm hook. So let's get started. So we will start from right here, from the very side. Do not make any knots, just pull the cord with 4mm hook through the hole. Just like this. So this is our first loop. With 8mm hook we will be making single crochet all the way, hole by hole. So this is our hole, and make single crochet, our first single crochet. Now take 4mm hook and put the hook through the hole and pull it through, just like this. Put the hook into the hole. You have two loops on the hook, and make single crochet. Work like this all the round. Put the hook through the hole, pull the cord. You have a loop. Do not lose also this loop. Our first single crochet. It's not very easy, but not hard also. So two loops on the hole and finish by making single crochet. So work like this, hole by hole, stitch by stitch. Do not lose this loop. Make a loop with your fingers. Now put the hook through the hole 1 and 2nd and finish like single crochet. So this is our start. Work like this all the way on the bottom. This is the end of the cord. I will take it together when I crochet the bag on the top. So almost finished making a single crochet over the bottom, the last stitches. I'm leaving the hook on the loop like this and making a single crochet. Using smaller hook to put the cord through the hole, put the hook through and finish. I will also show the main stitch how to make this basket, but the pattern for the bag, for this bag, is below in the video. All the instructions what to do, how to make the handle and right this part is in my written pattern. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I will show you the main stitch that I'm creating it. To create the pattern that looks like this, you have to make 2 stitches. The first one is a chain and then single crochet in the middle of the hole. Right here is the hole. Chain, single crochet in the middle of the hole, and you have to repeat this round by round. Follow my account to see how the final result looks like. Of course, for the bottom I made different stitches, so I will prepare the pattern, so follow up to see the whole result. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video tutorial interesting and informative. If you want to see more video tutorials, you can visit my main YouTube channel. I have video tutorials how to crochet totes, bags, rugs, placemats, baskets, and more. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. All the information about the pattern, the cord used, you can find below in the video description. So thank you for watching.